Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we can find the value of this math question. 5 minus 3 parenthesis 5 minus 3. If you know the answer, then send in comment section and wait for my answer that either your answer is right or wrong, because mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. 5 minus 3 equals 2 parenthesis 5 minus 3 again equals 2 and 2 times 2 equals 4, but this answer is absolutely wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule, PEMDAS say that firstly we can solve parentheses, so 5 minus 3 parenthesis 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now here multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. So firstly we can solve multiplication. 5 minus 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 minus 6 equal negative 1. This is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.